everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So like I said in my last vlog, my parents are in Bangalore and I took them to a lot of places. We went to beer library, so we did a lot of things, and today is Sunday and today we came to the best place that is there in Bangalore. At least for me, I love this place so much, and that is Cubbon Park. Cubbon Park, I love it so much, especially on Sundays, because Sundays we have dog park and I love dogs. There are so many cute dogs that come over here, especially the huskies, the labs, and everyone. So I thought, and even my mom loves dogs, so I thought I'll get them here so they can see the dog park. So we just went to the dog park and we came. Then after dog park we had some fresh juice. It was really good for this weather. The juice, the kokum juice and the mango juice, it was yummy. It was the best juice. Now we made a very small picnic and let's see, I'll take you guys over there and let's see what we have. Isn't this place beautiful? I mean, this in Bangalore, it's very rare, and God, I love this place so much. Look at the trees. My aunt got some cut fruit for us and we had it while watching all the pets play around with their parents. In the afternoon, we went out for lunch and had the best meals. It was the fish meals. My parents love seafood. The fish fry was really yummy and the ragi mudde was so soft and good. We reached sometime back home and right now my parents are sleeping because they're really exhausted, and they're also leaving back today, so I'm really sad that they're going back. But we had so much fun. We went to so many places and we did a lot of things, and it's always nice when your parents come to visit because you get to show them where you are, what you're working, the new places. Especially in Bangalore, there are so many places, so many restaurants, so much to do, so many places to go and see, and we don't get to see all of this in Bangalore, so I get really excited every time they come to Bangalore. But it's really sad that they have to leave back tonight and this amazing weekend comes to an end. But I guess this is the harsh truth of growing up. So after we came back from Cubbon Park, they were really tired and they directly went to the bed. So now it's almost 4:30 and I'm making them some tea and then they have to get ready to leave. So let's make some kadak chai for them before they leave Bangalore. I don't want them to leave, but can they stay forever here, please? I made some coffee for myself while I'm making them their tea. And then after tea, we went to the lake behind our building, the one I showed you all in the last vlog. It was sunny, windy, and the lake looked really beautiful at this time of the evening. And then it was time for my parents to leave. Airport drop-offs always feel so heavy, no matter how many times I go through them. I know Mangalore isn't far, but every goodbye feels just as hard. Watching them leave breaks my heart a little every time. Walking back home and I couldn't stop crying in the bus when they were leaving and I had to drop them. Then I still can't believe that they have gone back home and I have to go back, stay here in Bangalore. That is what it is. So let's go home and then tomorrow we have work, back to office. sometimes and take them out for dinner, show them things. I really miss them. I wish they could stay back, or I could go home and if I had work from home. But I don't know. I don't want to talk about it because I'll start crying then, and I just don't like this part where they have to leave, or if I have to leave from home and come back here. Yeah, but I really genuinely had the most amazing time of my life here when they were here. And I can't wait for them to get back to Bangalore again. And when you think about it, our parents do so much for us from the time we are born to the time we stand on our own feet. And it's obvious that we can never repay them back, but doing these little things gives so much joy. And this was my first time, and today I'm so happy that I could do this for them. I reached home back, guys, and now I'm going to make some chapati and eat and then freshen up and sleep. So that's it for today's video, guys. I know today's video has a bit sad ending, but this is all a part of life, and I know I am learning this for the first time. This was my first time, and this is the journey, so I know I'll learn through this journey, but it's okay. We are going to do this. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye. Good night.